as I already mentioned, most of the problem ultimately related with self-centered attitude and too much selfish. Now look back, India. I think Mahatma Gandhi ji very much willing Prime Ministership give to Jinnah, but Pandit Nehru refused. I think the Pandit Nehru's little bit sort of, I said, the self-centered attitude. I should be Prime Minister. Mahatma Gandhi ji is sort of thinking, if materialized, then Indo-Pakistan united. So, Pandit Nehru, I know very well. So, very sort of experienced person, very wise, but sometimes mistake also happen.
भारताची सध्याची शिक्षण पद्धत ब्रिटिशांनी घालून दिल्ली. भारताची पुरातन शिक्षण पद्धत खरी बरी आशिल्ली. तिचेर आज विदेशात संशोधन चल्ला. तीच शिक्षण पद्धत भारतातही चलूंक जाय.
So now time come, including the British themselves, the European countries and Americans, you see some crisis about emotion. Therefore, now 1,000-year-old India's tradition about knowledge, mind, about mind or these things, I think should reintroduce in this country. Only India.
Bureau Report, Prudent.